Today, Biscuit will be helping me because everyone else is busy. Right, Biscuit? Yep. Okay. Let's go. Get busy. To make this video happen, our friends at Mounting Dream are sponsoring this video, and they've sent us a full motion TV wall mount. It should fit right in there. We are going to put a link in the description as to where you can find this on Amazon. So if you're interested in Mounting Dream TV wall mounts, that's the place to check it out. So that's kind of what it looks like. Let's open it up and see. Our first job is to get the big beast of a TV out of there and see what kind of dust farm we have. Okay. You. Tell the boys have been dusting. Yeah. This won't happen again because we're going to have it mounted right up there. Now that the cubby's all cleaned out, the next step will be to put the brackets right onto the TV itself. Okay, Biscuit, we've cleaned it out. It's so clean in there, she could even put her bed in there, okay? When you're choosing the proper bracket for Mounting Dream, you have to note the kind of wall you have, the type of TV, the model, because the screws line up differently depending on the different TVs. Hey! I wasn't serious. We need it for the TV. Biscuit's a little eager, as you can see. Are you opening my box for me? Yeah, okay. What, you're not helping anymore? There it is. Whoa, is that exciting, Biscuit? This can fit on drywall with studs. It can fit on the wood that we have. It can fit on cinder block. You name it, as long as you have the right connectors. And Biscuit is still eating the box. How's that taste? Yeah, not so good. More Wheaties for you.
Wheaties is the breakfast of champions.
All the tools we need to install this wall mount. Drill, 7/32 drill bit, Phillips screwdriver, I'm going to use this as a cheat, and a 1/2-inch socket wrench. First impressions of the bracket, it's actually very heavy duty. It's also nice, it comes with an HDMI cable, which I don't need because we've already got one run through the wall. These are the mounting brackets that we're going to put onto the TV itself. That is the next step. Everything is in individual little baggies, A, B, C, D, all the way, and then a series of numbers here so you can make sure you grab the right one. A couple of levels, that's very handy. If you don't have a level, there's the bracket itself. These are the spots where we're going to mount it. So we have to remove the plugs. And now we have to find the proper screw. Screws are 3 different sizes. That is D. That's not going to work, but F will. Because we're using the big bolts, they stand out a little far from the TV, so we have to use a spacer. And then there's this little washer, gives you the extra height so it evens out. So now you don't want to be screwing that into the back of your TV and like going too far, breaking your TV. So we are going to use that. And as you can see, the hired help, useless as usual. The hook part of the TV bracket is going to go toward the top. When you're screwing in these TV brackets, make sure that you do it by hand using a hand screwdriver to avoid damaging your TV. I also have to take off the stand, so I can do that now. Well, we're ready to go. Hi. Hi, Biscuit. So I got a little helper. Really hard to get anything done in this place. Turns out I was wrong. I need to find the wood studs because this is only a 1/4-inch piece of MDF. We are going to make sure that we get into the studs. I think I have one about here and one over here. So I'm going to mark them with my stud finder. I know I probably found the studs because it is exactly 16 inches from there to there. One thing the instructions does not tell us is how high the TV is going to be off of the platform. Because we're in an enclosed space in there, I need to actually pretend to put it on here and measure where the bottom is. So I'm going to assemble the arms. They slide in the sides here like this. According to my measurements, if we screw the plate in 8 inches off of the bottom, we should get about a 2-inch space at the bottom and a 2-inch space at the top. Okay, I don't know if they did this square wrong, but it is not level, so trust your own level. It's now mounted on the wall. They tell you to make sure that you do a wall unit integrity test before you hang your TV on there, so your TV doesn't rip out of the wall and smash into a million pieces.
Television as you've never seen it before.
It's supposed to be like 100 pounds with a pressure, and this is really, really secure. Now for the moment of truth, we're gonna hang the TV. If it doesn't fit, it's not my fault, it's the mom's fault, who did nothing on this project.
That's why it's my fault. How do you plug in the TV?
Well, plug it in. Good boy.
There, happy?
Okay. Now this is gonna be a little bit tricky because it's very tight.
Maybe lift it up higher. My side's on, and your side's on.
And the TV mount is done, installed, and actually pretty simple to do. Easy to clean behind. All you have to do is just rotate the TV a little bit like this, and oh, Biscuit, what are you doing back there? You looking for crackers? No fluffs left. Easy to clean. The mom will be super happy. That's it for our TV mounting project. Special thanks to Mountain Dream. The installation went really well, and honestly, their price is super competitive. I'm not just saying that. It's crazy how low the price is on it, yet it was pretty heavy duty. We now have a massive 60-inch TV hanging, and it's exactly what the mom ordered.
That's how big this screen is.
Stay tuned, lots more great Burke Bunch DIY on the way.